Hello sir, how are you doing? Thank you. Hello. Hello sir, how are you? Thank you.
Hello.
Hello sir. Thank you. So this is level 21 Mal. Right in the centre of Denpasar, and yeah, I had a bit of trouble. They wouldn't let me in the main entrance, which is bizarre considering the south gate and the north gate allow it. Quite a nice little compact place. Let's take a walk around. I believe there's 4 floors and you get everything from lingerie, shoes, Everbest, and what's this? Jewellery, like fashion jewellery, perfumes. Oh, that smells lovely, that does. Wheatgrass, smells good. And the Palace, jewellery. You alright guys? Thank you very much. That's very nice. And traditional Indonesian dress. This is very good. Yeah. It's what I need to get. Let's see. There are, I believe, 4 floors. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Is that a 4th on the top? We shall see. Another nice looking shoe shop. Don't want to go too near the entrances in case that security guard sees me again. I'm not quite sure. I mean, he said that they do not allow inside, and I did ask why, and he just said because they do not allow. You know, I'm all up for policies, but you know, policies with a reason. Very lovely. Well, a lot of luxury things down here, like this lovely looking motorbike. Love it. And more jewellery. Yeah, so we're at level 21 Mal, right in the centre of Denpasar, and on the ground floor, where they have mainly luxury items, perfumes, bags, some garments, and vans, motorbikes, and oh, I think this was the same security guard. We'll see. Hello sir, how are you today? You having a good day? And okay, I just realised the one who wouldn't let me in was literally 10 metres to my left, outside. So oh dear. I thought you were pointing at me then. Oh, and a nice ramen place. Okay, so we're on the ground floor of level 21 Mal, and we're heading up. Okay. So we're on the first floor of level 21 Mall in Denpasar, and more clothes, some opticians, a couple of restaurants. They normally in malls they kind of separate everything, but here you've got kind of like food restaurants on every floor, which is new. Maybe it's all to one side now I think about it, but was it Celebrity Fitness won't be seeing me in there. Hello. And it's a very local place, this. It's probably why they don't want me to film. Hello. There's probably local prices here. Dear oh dear. Hello, how are you? Hello, sir. Okay, he seemed a bit shifty. Oh, those glasses in there look just like my ones. I wish I hadn't come in the main entrance now. I feel like I shouldn't be here. It's a nice shop. This is April. Hello. Wonder whether they've got headphones. Do you have mic? No. Oh, what a shame. It's a nice shop. Thanks so much. Oh, another lovely jewellery shop. Oh, and another one, Julia. 3 seconds. The 3 second rule. She had that down. The 3 second rule in what was that opticians? Specsavers in England was you must approach somebody within 3 seconds of them walking into the door. I was told by a friend who worked there. So we're on the second floor now, and we're going to head up to the third floor of the level 21 Mall in the centre of Denpasar. Right, and I've got a security guard behind me. Got kids station. Cosmetics. Oh, actually, so it seems to be only 3 floors, not 4 floors, and telephone stuff. Top Star. I bet you they'll have it in there. I'm gonna have a look. They didn't have a mic in there. That's fine, they had nothing but phone cases, but didn't have a phone case for me either, which is a shame. A little kiddies area. And an arcade called Time Zone. There is a 4th floor. That's interesting. So again, you've got shops, like shoe shops and cosmetics on the same floor, right mixed in with ramen restaurants. So, very strange. These always remind me of my friends Dan and Jackie when they came to visit me in Ubud. We went to the, what was it called? The Living World shopping mall, and it was the first day it was opened in Denpasar also. And they both hired those and went out for a ride. It was very funny. Hello, sir. How you doing? Are you okay? Thanks. Hello. Yeah. They're in New Zealand now. Hello, thank you. That's funny. That's sweet. Shouldn't have high-fived him with my left hand. Got to stop doing that, but I'm holding my gimbal with my right hand, so. Oh, we've been this way. Let's go back again and go upstairs and see what's up there. Oh, look at this poor chap. Dear oh dear. So we're heading up to the 4th floor of level 21 shopping mall in Denpasar. Not sure what's up here. Cinema. That's alright. Thank you, sir. I just have a quick look around. Thank you. So you've got a cinema on the that's interesting. Oh, and it's really lovely and cool up here as well. They've got tables and chairs. Yeah, very good. Studios 1 to 5. Does that mean 5 cinemas? Sorry. Thank you. And a bag shop. All isolated on its own, but then I reckon it probably gets a lot more footfall, especially in the evenings, from everyone coming to the cinema. But then if you're coming to here looking for a bag, hello sir, if you're coming here looking for a bag, hello. Oh, it's a car park at the top. Hello sir, just car park. Go back in. Thank you. Okay, yeah, so there's a car park on the top floor, but to park your scooter you have to park it outside and pay an independent. Which, interestingly enough, well no, at the Living World they've got an enormous car park specially designed for motorbikes and scooters at the back of their complex. but they don't allow motorbikes to ride in the main entrance and ride along the side as they did on day one. You have to ride out. So when you go there and they give you direction, they just basically point at the end of the high street, basically saying park anywhere else. It all feels very, very strange. Oh, poor thing. I would high five that, but I haven't got any loose change to give them.